going on today then, Steve?
You know, I got up this morning, put my trunks on. I thought we was going over the Lido. Then Willie come round and went, no, we're going to Lawns. So that's where we are. There's some lovely motors here again. But you can't take them all home.
No, it's always the same here. Really busy. You've got to get here early. If you don't, you're going to be queuing.
Yeah, that's what I was reading.
That's it, innit?
Said he would do, and I tightened it up.
Look at that. For sale. And Vauxhall. GTO.
It's near the Albert Memorial bit, I think. That's it. So you go under that and then it comes up on the right hand side.
Yeah, 58. What are you taking home, Jim?
That.
Yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it?
I'm going to give the driver a slap and nick his keys and that's it, it's mine.
There he is. If you want to have a word with him. Probably won't go down too well.
What would you do?
Look at that, eh?
Oh yeah.
I don't think you've ever had a bad car with a dog though. They're all cool. Yeah, I'll in love with you. We both fell in love with that. Because we both got under it, didn't we?
Bruce Brothers are here. This is a house. A lovely day. The old Healy, that's a lovely thing. See that interlock, really clean.
I followed you on the way in.
Oh, did you?
In your voice car, and,
Were you in a Porsche?
no. He's got a.
That's Porsche. Oh, okay. Oh, right.
It's a green.
Yeah.
Electric, huh?
Really.
Right.
Oh, I see. So what's the name?
But doesn't it say? Because the batteries ain't out to sell. Modern batteries. Always put it for a longer way. Thank you. I'm loving Nick on this morning.
The trim in there. So nice.
Did you get my little disappointment?
Bit of James Bond action. Little Hornet. MC. Everyone loves the Charger. '56 Plymouth.
Nice, isn't it?
Oh, there's loads of room. It's just so slick, eh? Very partial to an old angle box.
Nice. Neat, isn't it, that centre console?
Nice.
Loads of people try and make it come up.
Some cool stuff over here. Look at that Alpha. That's neat. Love them old roof racks.
Yeah, baby.
Don't know.
Gorgeous,
I
isn't
need
it?
a couple of water taps though.
Super Lagera. Pass back. Like the red, that's neat. Over record. I haven't seen one of them for years. Bit warm enough. A few cobras there.
Yeah.
Warm enough?
It's hot. Really hot. Should have gone the Lido.
Bill's got his old Capri out. Always looks nice. Phil's got the XR3. There's so much stuff here.
We shouldn't get to them. Only do more sport.
Well, all of them, both as well. Megan, he's normally in fault.
Yeah.
When I drive it, I can't wait to get in fault. It's like,
There's some work done on this, isn't it?
that's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. The original sleeper.
I watched the geezer and instead of painting the metal plate,
What's that?
that's it.
Entertainment.
Entertainment.
Is it?
Alright, isn't it?
Singer.
Toilets so we can wiggle there, just go past that tree.
some boots on that.
Some build this one.
Manifold's terrible. They're meant to be 230 out the box.
Yeah.
He's struggled at 220.
Your
I
shoes
think that's
comfortable?
restricting him.
I've got some of them coming. They're turning up next week. They're
Have you?
comfy.
Are they still get? Can you still get some on?
Some dish you got there.
As you get older, it's harder and just a bit harder.
Pint nose. Right in there. Like that. Really neat. Coil on plug, eh?
Hey, look, we ain't far.
Like this as well. Lovely. Lovely truck that.
What you did last year.
Oh, triples on there.
Whoever that's why.
It was hot. It was hot then.
Guarantee whether when it comes to Father's Day. We're busy later.
Plenty of Cobras here. Take your pick. I kind of like these dark ones. $14 in there, look.
Good one for sale.
Oh, what's that?
But yeah, there's a good few.
They're all the same, the Giacomo's and the BYD, all the exactly the same.
Sell this one.
Yes, it's nice to play.
There's just too much to see, isn't there, Steve? I'm worn out. Swinging a bit of a beast.
Yeah, I know that.
I've had help people fabricate stuff, but I've made it and then they've done it.
You've got enough toys, haven't you?
Fucking like, I keep adding to it, I don't get rid of them.
That's the problem.
You still at
Last few years ago, I went with Dad now.
Yeah, what did you do?
Upstream.
Oh yeah?
In the trimming. The cars.
Where's that?
Over yeah, that one. Trimming down the road. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's got the dark plate for it.
To be fair, I need these. I'm doing the same, but
You've got a lot of mutual friends, a lot of the same people.
yeah, they just got to come with it. One of the people.
During the, it was messaging me during the England game.
Oh yeah, he sent me a score thing and it came at score. It was the score.
He sent me a clip from a previous game.
I know, he was knocking about.
Nice thing, isn't it? A bit of everything here today. So many nice cars. That one there, right?
Do some investigation and find out if that's a sport back that sticks 5 grand off the car. Every day in the sun.
What's that then?
See you next time.